Welcome back, children. This is our next video for chapter 1 Numbers. In this video, we are going to learn about BIDMAS. Before getting into the topic, answer me, what are the four fundamental operations in maths? Yes, the four operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now think about the situation. Here there are two children. They were asked to solve the sum 5 into 6 plus 2. Children, notice the problem carefully. How many operations are there? Yes, there are two operations. What are they? Multiplication and addition. Here the boy's answer is 32 and the girl's answer is 40. We are getting two different answers. Here the boy multiplied the number first and then added it by 2. Here the girl added the numbers first and then multiplied the answer by 5. They were doing in different order. So their answers are different. So to avoid this confusion, we have to use the order of operations. The rule of order of operations is called as BIDMAS. The rule of order of operations is called as BIDMAS. In this slide, we are going to see the expansion of BIDMAS. 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 B stands for brackets. See, in this picture, we are able to see the four kinds of brackets. So, first one is bar bracket and the second one is round bracket. The third type is square bracket and the last type is brace bracket. So, in this exercise, we are going to see about four brackets. So, in removing the bracket also, we have to follow some order. The first bracket to be removed is bar bracket, followed by round bracket, followed by square bracket and at last brace bracket. So, after removing the bracket, we have to move on to the next alphabet I. I stands for index or power of. This you will be learning in your higher class. And the next letter D stands for division. So, after removing the bracket, we have to move on with the operation division. After dividing, multiplication. After multiplication, addition. At last, subtraction. So, in this order only, we are going to solve the sum with more than one operations. Okay, let us see an example. 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1. Here, how many operations are given? See, I have denoted the operation with red color. So, what are the operations? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. So, according to BIDMAS rule, we have to do multiplication first. So, 7 into 1, the answer is 7. Carry the remaining numbers as it is. Now, the multiplication operation gets over. The remaining two operations are addition and subtraction. So, according to the rule, we have to remove the addition first. So, 3 plus 5, it is 8. 8 minus 7, it is 1. Okay, children. We will get into the exercise 1.3, sum number 7, simplification. Let us see the first sum. What is the sum given? 10 plus 17 divided by 3. See, what are the operations given? Addition and division and with the bracket. So for our rule is to remove the bracket first. So 10 plus 17, the answer is 27. The answer is 27. Divide 27 by 3, the answer is 9. Now let us see the next sum. So this is the sum given. So in this sum we are having three kinds of bracket: round bracket, brace bracket and square bracket. Our first step is to remove the round bracket. In the round bracket the operation given is subtraction. So 5 minus 1, it is 4. Carry the remaining numbers as it is. Now our next step is to remove the brace bracket. In the brace bracket, the operation given is subtraction. So subtract 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. Carry down the remaining numbers, and the last bracket is the square bracket. So in the square bracket, the operation is subtraction. So subtract 3 minus 2, the answer is 1. Carry the 12. 12 minus 1, the answer is 11. So in this way only we have to solve the sum with more than one operations. The last sum of the exercise. So here we are able to see 1, 2, two kinds of bracket. The first kind, the innermost bracket. First step, we have to remove the innermost bracket. The innermost bracket is round bracket. So in the round bracket, the operation given is multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2, the answer is 6. So in place of 3 into 2, you must write 6 and carry the remaining numbers. So now round bracket has been removed. The next kind of bracket is brace bracket. In the brace bracket, we have two operations, namely subtraction and division. So according to BIDMAS rule, which operation we have to solve first, subtraction or division? Yeah, it is division. So first divide 6 by 2, the answer is 3. So in place of 6 divided by 2, write 3 and carry the remaining numbers. So in the brace bracket, now one operation division has been removed, the other operation is subtraction. So solve the subtraction. 6 minus 3, it is 3. So carry the remaining numbers. Now all the brackets has been removed. Now get into the remaining operations: addition, division, addition. So according to BIDMAS rule, we have to divide. So 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4, and carry down the remaining numbers. At last you see both the operations are addition. So we can add directly. 100 plus 4 plus 3, it is 107. I think you would have understood about the BIDMAS rule. Thank you, children.